Hello and welcome back. Your basics are absolutely clear about resource configuration. You are already aware about soft limits, hard limits. So now it's time to have some action. We are going to talk about hands-on setting up resource limits. As you know that we can set up resource limits for memory, we can also use CPU limits, and we can combine both of them together. In this video, we are going to start with memory limits. So let's start. First of all, we will set up soft limits, right? Then we will set up hard limit, and then we will set up both of them together. So here, I'm going to give you example about how we can set up soft limits like a memory reservation. As you know that we can set up soft limits for container, and we can also set up soft limits for services. So let's start with the containers. Here I am creating this container. As you know that by default, whenever we are creating container, we are not actually setting up any limits. When we are not setting up any limits, it means unlimited resources can be used by the container. But here in this particular command, we have reservation. And look at this. Here is a memory reservation command. So here we are going to create container, docker run, -d, it interactive container, name, my container, memory reservation 128 megabits, and nginx latest container that we are going to create. This command guaranteed that the container name my container will have at least 128 MB of memory available. Now, once we will create container, we can verify this. So let's copy this, and right now I have one Swarm cluster environment. I have only one manager node and one worker node. I have this Swarm environment. Why? Because we are going to verify reservation limit, verify limits for container, individual container, and for services as well. So I have to set up this Swarm cluster environment. You can also set up this. I'm using normal AWS Ubuntu EC2 instance, and here I have created manager node and worker node. You guys are already aware about it, right? And how we can set up manager node and worker node. So same thing I have here. Now I'm going to paste this command, and the main highlight of this particular command is memory reservation. When we are going to use this particular switch, memory reservation means we are setting up soft limit for our container, right? So let's use this. Done. Now, if you want to verify this, the main is docker inspect and the container name. Now from this particular configuration, like from the docker inspect, okay, you have to find out host configuration, okay. You have to find out host configuration. See, this is a host configuration. And here you will get all the details. Okay. So let's scroll down and look at this. Here I got this memory reservation. Now here we are getting it into the bytes, right? So the problem is it is actually 128 bits, but 128 MB. But if you have to, you have to convert this. Okay. If you don't want to convert this, what you can do here, you can run this particular command. So let's give this command. Now here we have my container, right? So you just need to provide name, and here you will find out that, see, this is command which is actually displaying memory directly. But again, it is in bytes, so you have confusion. You have to convert this into the megabytes. But if you don't want to do this, okay, I have another command as well. Do not try to remember these commands, because nobody can remember this, okay? You just need to understand how the things are actually working, what is soft limit, and how we can set up this, okay? So I'm just going to give name, my container, and now look at this. This command actually converted all these bytes into the MB, so I'm getting this 128 megabytes, okay? So it is very easy. Now, this container named my container will have 128 MB reserve for this. See, don't worry about what is current state of the container, like how much memory consumed by the current container currently, it can be less than 128 MB. So no need to worry, but it will have reservation for sure. It is like a credit card. Let's say that if you have credit card and if you have limits of 1 lakh rupees. Now 1 lakh rupees is not in your account, right? But credit card company is giving you guarantee that you can spend 1 lakh rupees anytime. Same thing applicable over here as well. It is kind of credit limits. Okay. Money is not in your account, but you have this credit limits that you can use. Okay. So this is about containers. Now what I am doing, I am going to give command docker ps. Here I have container. Okay. I am going to remove this. So docker rm -f my container. Docker rm -f my container. Now done. I have one service also running. So let's remove this. I think from previous class it was there. So docker service rm my service. Okay. So I just clear everything from my docker host. Now we are going to set up memory reservation for service. So here we have the same command, docker service create name my service. It is going to create 2 replica, and here we have to use reserve a memory. Okay. Here it is a different. Here for container we have memory reservation. Here we have reserve a memory. Again 128 and nginx lattice. Now here.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.